Hello students, our chapter number 3 is completed over here. We have already seen about chapter number 3 and exercise of chapter number 3. Now we have to learn chapter number 3 practical. Now we have to do practical of our chapter number 3. Our chapter number 2 we have already learned about moving a circle using simple animation. You know very well moving a circle using a simple animation. Now in our chapter number 3 we have to do moving a circle using keyframe. Can you see it? It is known as keyframe. In your params panel, in your parameter panel, you can see keyframes. It is known as keyframe. Now we have to move a circle using keyframe. Wait a minute. We have already learned about moving a circle using simple animation. Now in this lesson, in this practical, we have to move this circle using keyframe. It means what? Both are same. બંને same છે. In our chapter number 2 આપણે આ કર્યું using simple animation. Chapter number 3 માં same આ જ વસ્તુ કરવાના by using keyframe. Clear? So open your Synfig Studio. First of all, if you want a background color, then you can do it by using rectangle tool. Which tool? Rectangle tool. For example, I want red as a background color. I want red as a background color. If you want to change your color, background color, then you can change it by using palette editor. Clear? I want red as a background color. Now simply click on this rectangle tool. Clear? And you can draw your rectangle tool in your canvas area. Clear? If you want to use more than one color, then you can do it by using two rectangles. Wait, how can you do it? For example, you want two color. I want red color. Click on your rectangle tool. Simply draw your rectangle. Red. I want another color, that is yellow. Simply click on yellow color. Can you see background color as a yellow? Again draw rectangle. Clear? If you want more than two color, you can do it. If you want only one color, then it's okay. It is okay. There is no problem. You can do it. Clear? I want single color. I want red color as a background color. So click on rectangle tool and you can draw your rectangle in your canvas area. Clear? Maru background complete. Now we have to start our practical. Synfig Studio is a time-based authoring tool. So first of all, you have to set your time for your animation. Select character tool. Select character. Then select canvas. In canvas you have to select properties. Whenever you are clicking properties dialog box will be open. In properties dialog box you have to select time tab. You know very well about 1 second equals to how many frame? 24 frame. Starting time is 0f. I want starting time is 0. End time I want 2s. 2s it means what? મને 2 સેકન્ડ માટે એનિમેશન કરાવવું છે. I want to move my circle for 2 seconds. How many seconds? Only 2 seconds. Now click on OK button. Can you see in your timeline bar 0f, that is your starting time, 24f, that is 1 second, and 48f means 2 seconds. Clear? 0f means starting time, 24f means 1 second, 12f means half second, 24 equals to 1 second, so 12 equals to half second. 36f means 24 એટલે 1 second, 36 मतलब half, तो 1 ने 0.5, तो 1.5 second, and it is 2 second. Clear? 0.5 second, 1 second, 1.5 second and 2 second. Clear? કેમ 2 સેકન્ડ જ આવ્યું? કેમ કે મેં ટાઈમ કેટલો સેટ કર્યો? My end time is 0 or 2s. Clear? 2s it means 48f. 1s equals to 24f. So 2s equals to 24 to the 48. That's why my 2 second is 48f. So timing set. Now next step. Now you have to create an object. I want to move a circle. That's why I have to select circle tool. Now I want my circle in yellow color, so click on yellow color and you can see background is yellow. Now select circle tool. Now you can draw your circle. Clear. Now where is your duck? Circle na parameter છે duck. Where is your duck? Simply click on transform tool. જ્યારે transform tool select કરશો ત્યારે જ duck આવશે. Clear. Now next step. Now you have to turn on your animation editing mode. Can you see it is in green color? Why it is in green color? Because your animation editing mode is off. અત્યારે off છે. But I want to on animation editing mode. That's why I have to select animation editing mode. હું જ્યારે animation editing mode on કરું ત્યારે you can see red border outside your canvas. Red border દેખાય કેનવાસના આજુબાજુ, એને શું કહેવાય? animation editing mode on છે. Clear. Now we have to move our circle. Next step is in your current timeline bar you have to write 2s. You have to write 2s and apply enter key. Okay. Now next step. I want 0f. મને 0 સેકન્ડે I want 0 સેકન્ડ my circle, મને મારું circle 0 સેકન્ડે અહીંયા જોઈએ છે. બરાબર? તો શું કરવાનું? Simply click on 0f. Now in keyframe you can see 0f. You can see 0f. It is your keyframe. If you want to add your keyframe, then simply click on plus sign, add keyframe, add a new keyframe. If you want to add duplicate keyframe, then you can select duplicate keyframe. Our next practical will be duplicate keyframe of chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 na બે practical છે. First is moving a circle using keyframe and second is moving a circle using duplicate keyframe. અત્યારે આપણે કરવાનું છે only simple keyframe. Clear. And if you want to remove your keyframe, then you can select remove keyframe. So your first step is simply click on 0f. Click on 0f. My 0f select કર્યું timeline bar માં. અહીંયા 0f keyframe add કરી 0 time 0 second મારું circle અહીંયા જોઈએ મને. Clear. Now click on 24f. 24 means 1 second. 24f select करो. You have to select 24f. Now you have to click add keyframe. Clear. Can you see 24f? 24f જ કેમ આવ્યું? મેં અહીંયાથી 24f સિલેક્ટ કર્યું એટલે આવ્યું. જો હું અહીંયા 12f કરું, હવે add keyframe કરો. જો 12 keyframe. If you want to remove your keyframe, then simply select your keyframe and remove it. Clear. So 0f એ મને મારું સર્કલ જોઈએ સ્ટાર્ટિંગ પોઝિશન પર. 24f it means 1 second મને મારું સર્કલ જોઈએ સેન્ટરમાં. I want my circle in center. Now 2 second it means 48f. 2 second it means 48f. Clear. 48f it means 2 second મને મારું circle જોઈએ લાસ્ટમાં. So select 48f in your timeline bar and add keyframe by using this plus sign. You can see 47f. કેમ 47? Because આ જો મેં 48 એક્ઝેક્ટ નથી કર્યું, 47 એ કર્યું. Clear. If you want to remove 47f, simply click on 47 and remove keyframe. I want exact 48 એટલે કે 2 second. Clear. Can you see yellow part? 48f. Now click on add keyframe. Clear. 48f. Now move your circle to its end position. Clear. Now apply. You can see keyframe 0 second, 1 second and 2 second. Clear. Now click on play button. Now click on preview button. Select preview, play. You can see your circle is moving by using keyframe. Clear. Your circle is moving by using keyframe. You can see time. You can see timing of your circle. 0 થી start થાય છે. Clear. So your circle is moving by using keyframe. Now next step is we have to save our file. We have to save our file. Simply go to file menu, click on save button. Now I want to apply my file name, test1. I am giving test1, apply, okay, save button, select save button. Now I want to render my file. I want to rendering my image. Select on render button. Whenever I am clicking render button, render setting dialog box will be open. You can see render setting dialog box. In your render setting dialog box, you can see file name, my file name, that is test1. Whole file path name you can see on your screen. File name, that is my file test1. Desktop ની અંદર Synfig Studio ની અંદર test1. Now we have to write GIF. Clear, and in target you have to select GIF. Apply, select render button. Now you can see on your status bar rendering. You can see rendering. જ્યારે ફાઇલ કમ્પ્લીટ રેન્ડર થઈ જશે તો તમે જોઈ શકશો રેન્ડર ધ ફાઇલ રેન્ડર સક્સેસફુલી આવી ગયું. ફાઇલ રેન્ડર સક્સેસફુલી આ મેસેજ આવે પછી જ રેન્ડર થશે, પછી જ દેખાશે. માઇન્ડ વેલ, ફાઇલ રેન્ડર સક્સેસફુલી મેસેજ આવવો જ જોઈએ, એ આવશે પછી જ ફાઇલ રેન્ડર થશે. નાઉ મિનિમાઇઝ યોર વિન્ડો. Open your Synfig Studio folder, test1. My file name is test1. You can see test1.sifz. It is a Synfig Studio file. I want test1.gif. I want GIF image. You can see your circle is moving by using keyframe. And canvas ni size આટલી જ છે એટલે આટલું દેખાશે. Clear? Your circle is moving by using simple keyframe.